Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Battery and Device Care. After that, tap on Battery section, scroll all the way down, and click on More Battery Settings. Now, after scrolling down one more time, you can finally click on the switcher next to Fast Charging to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!